Hey y'all, this is Karen with renovatedfaith.com, and this week on the blog, I'm showing you how to convert any closet space into an additional office work area. This is the small walk-in closet that is in our home office, and I converted it to an extra workspace. It's really quiet. I decorated it in my own style, everything I love, and I really enjoy being in here. So any space in your home, any closet can be converted into an additional workspace, whether that's a craft area, like a craft closet, a place for your kids to do homework, maybe an additional area for you to sit down and do Bible study. Whatever the case may be, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So here's how my little closet started out. Nothing too exciting. The first thing I did was draw a level line to show exactly where the top of the desk would line up. Then I used 3 pieces of 1x2s and allowed those to be the braces to hold up the top. And I used drywall anchors and also screwed those into the studs. Next, I used some wood glue to glue the top on and weighted the top down with some heavy books so that it dried in place. Before adding the top, I cut a 2-inch hole in the corner for my cords with my jigsaw, and I also caulked the entire desk. I let the caulk dry overnight, and then it was time to finish my desk. Instead of using a traditional stain, I used a faux stain with latex paint. If you check out the blog, there's 9 different shades to choose from, and you can make plywood look like any type of hardwood. And after painting my closet, you can see how it turned out. I added a bulletin board and some wall art. The bulletin board has encouraging Bible verses and quotes because I use this space as a little Bible study area for me, but you could use it for anything that fits your needs. Be sure to check out the blog post at renovatedfaith.com because there's lots of details there that you don't want to miss out on, and also a source list. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section.